Welcome to the student hotel in Den Haag, and here's the lift. A 10-person, 750 kilo job, very generously spaced. You would fit 10 people in here. It's an honest lift. Good evening and welcome to the student hotel in Den Haag, or as the Brits and the Americans say, The Hague in the Netherlands. We're here for 4 nights. 2 of us are staying in this lovely king-sized bed. 4 nights on a room-only basis, which has cost €332.60. It's a good price for The Hague, it's a good price for the Netherlands, it's not a cheap country to stop in, and this is a really good quality hotel, despite the student tag. So there's a story to student hotels. I've been told it was a Scottish entrepreneur who wanted to create a brand that was kind of like luxury halls of residence or something like that. That could be completely and utterly wrong, but that's what somebody told me. And it looks nice. It looks really nice. Anyway, I'm going to go back to the beginning. So it's a bit dark in here, but just take my word for it that here, here, and here, going by the light of my Garmin watch, are 3 sort of varied size coat hanging devices. Opposite that, we've got light switch, power bank, power thing for the electric just there. Telephone to reception, air conditioning. On the left side is the wardrobe, which is one of these big open affairs. There's a plug socket down there. A few shelves for keeping your bits on. So to be quite honest, that's all right for storage really. I'll move on. We've got a couple of USB ports for charging phones and plug socket down there. We've got a very small LG TV, which pulls out on that. And there's lots of this yellow and black, may the student in you live forever, may the student in you never die, branding around. It's nice, it's part of the corporate imagery of this brand. And then moving on here, just to make it feel like you're in a student flat, you've got some studenty type things like a pretend cactus and a massive egg timer. Many minutes of fame. Let's just see how long this film will take. Oh dear, many minutes I can assure you. Nice coffee machine, 2 cartons of water next to the coffee machine, and this is one of those ones where you put the pods in and you know somebody has to show me what to do, etc. There's also a kettle. Beneath that we've got a safe, and I wasn't expecting to see a safe in here, to be honest. So this is better than many budget type hotels because you don't often see safes in the budget brands. I'll get out of the light so you can see that. We've got tissues for your issues. Hopefully those issues are COVID-19. And then beneath that, somebody's had a sly waffle because there's a wrapper in the bin, and that wasn't us. So somebody, possibly a cleaner, has had a little nibble because there's only one of those there, and there should be 2. Tut, tut, tut. There you go. May the student in you never die. Little coffee table, red chair. Oh, and we've got a free bag of Piper's crisps. Cider vinegar and sea salt, not my favourite. I'd have preferred cheese and onion. We're so happy to have you here. We wish you a wonderful stay. If you need anything that will make your stay even more amazing, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to come to reception or give us a call with the phone in your room. It's nice, though, you know what, it's got a really sort of nice welcoming feel to it. So yeah, kick off your shoes. I look good today, it says. Well, you know, I don't know if I do or not, but let's have a quick look. What do you think, folks? Prophets of Rage meets Peaky Blinders. What a mishmash. Right, let's have a look in the bathroom. So the bathroom is very bright, and there's the full view of most of what you get. So before I go in, I want to point out on the back of the door there appears to be a hairdryer, and we did read in a review somewhere that said that it didn't provide hairdryers here. Clearly they do, so if you like to preen your bouffant, rejoice. Got a little sink. If money grew on trees, everyone would be an environmentalist. Some quirky stuff again. Knowledge is power, blah blah blah. Shampoo, blah blah. Free stuff for your bag, basically. A couple of paper cups, extra loo roll, another bin, and a very accessible shower. In fact, it's not flat, there is a step, but in actual fact, what surprises me, there is a step, there's no grab handle on the wall, and I might have expected to see a grab handle just here. But you can probably use this, which people will do, providing you don't burn your hand, so, you know. But yeah, I think student hotel, if you want to be completely great, just put a little handle there, make a big difference. We've got the big flush and the little flush, and the toilet there. 4 towels. Fine, towels are towels. And then a floor towel down there on the shower. So to be quite honest, I'm pretty happy with what I've seen so far. I think it looks like a good hotel. I'm looking forward to stopping here. I'm not afraid that it's the student hotel, because the student in me will never die, ever. Right, I'll see you later, kids. Just to point out, spread the love, may the student in you never die. There you go, there's a condom. A Johnny! Way! So I will give you some orientation as to where we are. First of all, the window opens fully, which is quite surprising actually. Good though. It's such a beautiful warm morning, the sun's really shining. So the main railway station for The Hague, if you walk down here and turn right, you're less than a 5-minute walk. In fact, it takes longer to leave this room and the hotel complex than it does to get from the front door of the hotel to the railway station. The main parts of town are down that way, and that's where I'm going to be filming next. Anyway, beautiful day in The Hague this morning. Thumbs up from me.